Day 3. We're headed to go get coffee and see what else we can see. Probably walked up close to 20 miles in the past 2 days. Today's the third day, and we leave tomorrow morning bright and early. Of course, Lasernaut always has something crazy that they bring to SEMA. This year they brought this space UFO.
There's a bunch of cool vehicles in the Mopar booth. Everything from concept Jeeps to old pickup resto mods. Then when you go outside, there's everything from bro trucks to GTRs to Jeeps. But as you know, I like off-road, so you can see some there. This is a Baja race truck that's inside, desert race truck, and you can see it's like a spaceship inside. Mahindra was there. There's really cool like Raptor Toyota truck. There's just so much to see and do at SEMA, and like always, I appreciate Odyssey for letting me come out, and can't wait for next year. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.